Friends, pollution is on its peak nowadays, but trees also help us to solve this problem. Though trees have various benefits, but today my student Raghav will tell you something more about trees. So Raghav, are you ready?
Yes, I am ready.
So let's start.
Trees play an important role in our life. Trees are living beings like people and animals. Trees provide shadow to everyone. Trees make every place beautiful. Parts of trees are useful for many purposes. They give us fruits and glue. They absorb harmful toxins and clean the air. These are necessary for our survival. That's all about trees. Thanks.
So friends, he spoke very nicely. If you also want to speak such effectively, join gabaeducator and wellness. हमारी वीडियो को लाइक, शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब करना मत भूलना. चैनल को जरूर से सब्सक्राइब कर देना, मैं दोबारा बताता हूँ. थैंक यू.